that a fraction, we need to find the fraction, and the question is that the sum of the numerator and denominator of the fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. Okay, so let fraction is equal to x by y, right? Let us assume it. Let the fraction as x by y. Let me zoom it. Let fraction equal to x by y. Now, as per the criteria given into the question, the sum of the numerator and denominator. So here you can see x is numerator, x is numerator, and y is the denominator, right? So x by y is the fraction, and as per the question it's given that the sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. So we can write the sum of the numerator and denominator. That means this is numerator. When this will be added with denominator, we can say sum of numerator and denominator is equal to 4 more. That means 4 will be added to what? 4 more than twice the numerator. So 4 more can be written like this. 4 more and twice the numerator. Numerator is x. So twice the numerator will be 2x. Right? So x plus y equal to 2x plus 4. This will give you an equation x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is one of the equation which is derived over here, right? This is a question of linear equation in two variables. So here we have two variables x and y, and these two variables will need two equations to get it solved. To solve these two variables, we need two equations. So let's say this equation which is derived is equation number 1, right? If this is equation number 1 as per the criteria 1, then what is the criteria 2? It's written that in the second criteria, if the numerator and denominator, these both are increased by 3, the ratio will be 2 by 3. So we can write this is numerator and this is denominator. Both of these are increased by 3. That means 3 will be added. Now this will be forming an fraction whose value is equal to 2 by 3. This is the criteria 2 which is given into the question. So this will give you another equation. Just solve it. This will give you 3x plus 9 equal to 2y plus 6. Isn't it? Now 3x plus 9 equal to 2y plus 6. So this will give you 3x. This will give you 3x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So this is our equation number 2. This is our equation number 2, right? Now try to squeeze the screen little. So this will give you equation number 2. So we have two equations with us, x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. If you find any of these steps and understanding easy, you can like and subscribe, right? So from equation 1 and 2, just substitute and eliminate one of the variables, right? Since x minus y plus 4, just multiply this equation by 2, right? So multiplying equation 1 by 2, what we will get? We will get, since x minus y plus 4, so we will get 2x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0, right? This was equation number 1. We multiplied it with 2. We get this one. Now subtract the equation number 2 from this. Now why we are subtracting? Just to eliminate the variable y, because here is 2y, so we will eliminate it, right? So 3x minus 2y plus 3 is our second equation, right? Now just subtract it. The sign of the lower polynomial will be changed, right? Now 2x minus 3x will give you minus x, and 2y and 2y will be cancelled out here, you can see, and 8 minus 3 will be 5, which will give you 0, which is equal to 0. Now this will give the value of x as minus x equal to minus 5 or x equal to 5. So the numerator is calculated as 5 for this equation. Now since we have the relation, you can see from equation number 1, that is x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. So the y can be calculated as x plus 4. When y will be taken from LHS to RHS, y equal to x plus 4, right? So from here we can write y equal to x plus 4. Since x was 5, then y is 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. So we get the value of our fraction x by y as 5 by 9. So this is the fraction and this is our answer, right? So in this way we will be solving such questions, right, students? So for any query you can put up into the comment box. Yeah, the life is writing something. Yes, Mr. Life, what are you doing? Yeah, actually I have just shown into the wallpaper of my live session that this is a numerical, this is a question of linear equation in two variables, where we have taken some question to identify a fraction. Okay, to identify a fraction whose value need to be calculated, right? We have assumed it as x by y. Then as per the relation, it's given that x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is one equation. And from the another relation which is given, this is 3x minus 2y plus 3, we came to derive the second equation. And when we solve it by eliminating one of the variable y, we get the value of x as 5, which is our numerator, you can see, and the denominator is 9. So 5 by 9 is our answer, which we require to calculate, right? Any query into this? Yeah, students, you find it useful, just like, and you can subscribe if you wish so. Thank you so much for watching. I will come up with the next question. Okay, actually the CBSE board exams are nearby. Okay, and the next paper is of mathematics. So if in any way any of these questions will be helping you, or any questions from my channel will be helping you, I will feel very great. Okay, I will be overwhelmed, right? Thank you so much. Just do a little labor and definitely your mathematics paper will be good, right? Just concentrate on your studies. For any specific question or query, you can drop me a message, you can write me onto my channel, and you can refer more than 1,000 shorts over there, 1,000 shorts and videos. Okay, all are of different types and specific concepts, they will help you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, Life, you are saying something? Yep. Thank you. Yeah, if no query, we can close this session now. Thank you so much for watching. We are trying to find the value of 0. Value of 0. Yeah, easy money. Oh my god. No, no, we are not going to find out the value of 0 over here, easy money. We are just going to, we have just derived a, we find out a fraction x by y based upon the two relations which is given. The question was that you can see into the wallpaper, okay, the thumbnail. The sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. So we have derived this relation, twice more than, 4 more than twice the numerator. Twice the numerator is this one, and 4 more than this is this, right? And sum of the numerator and denominator. This will give you one of the equation, right? Here we have two variables, x and y. And for to solve this, we need two equations. So we derived this equation from the first criteria, and the second criteria was that if the numerator and denominator are increased by 3, they are in the ratio of 2:3. So here you can see numerator is increased by 3, denominator is increased by 3, and the fraction becomes 2 by 3, right? So this will give you the second equation. So two equations we are available. We are having two equations. We are having two variables. Just eliminating one of the variable y over here. You can eliminate x also, not an issue. Okay, you get the value of x as 5. Now putting the value of x equal to 5 into x minus y plus 4, that means y equal to x plus 4, we get the value of y as 9. So x by y is our fraction which is equal to 5 by 9, which is calculated. So this is our answer. X by y is calculated as 5 by 9. So this is our answer, right? Hi Rodriguez, Souza, good evening. How are you? Hopefully doing fine. Yeah. Let me know if you have any query in understanding this question. In any of these steps, yeah, Rodriguez. Should I explain this question again? You want it? You want that I explain this question again? I can do it. Not an issue. You want me to solve, Rodriguez? So, in this way, we will be solving this question. Okay. So, for better understanding, I will explain this question again, right? Because the students who are joining now, they are not able to see the steps. Okay, because already I have solved it in the live session. Should I explain it? Yeah, Rodriguez, easy money, life. Anyone of? Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Then let me explain this question again. So, what we do, let me explain it. Let the fraction which is given over here, okay. So, if any no query, we can wind up this session now. Yep. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.